Hey everybody, Mike here at SkyInclude, and this is a little bit of a demo. I had a lot of trouble. I had to kind of bug the developer that made this Mempooler, Durendil. He's a really patient guy, uh, and I really appreciate what he's done for the community, and he's helped me, and I've learned a lot. So I'm putting together this little demo tutorial for his HNS Mempooler. And basically, it helps you schedule bids and schedule reveals and basically automate some of this process. It's extremely stressful. He's an expert himself. He has domains.durendil.com, which is his, and he's been bidding and winning auctions for quite a long time. So I'm going to set up one now. It's February 9th, 2021. And for a name, it's very important to me, maybe not so many others. And I'm using this tool. So I figured I might as well make a video to help share with you all the pains that I went through to figure this one out as not so technical person. So you'll need the Bob wallet, and you'll need, well, you don't have to use Postman, but Postman. And I'm going to go through this step by step. I also typed this out at skyinclude.com/memepooler. All right, and let's talk about this in the forum at handshake.mercenary. So here we go. You need Bob wallet. You need a way to prepare signed transactions, which is Postman, which I learned from Durendil. And here's the steps. Basically, you got to pick a name. What name? So today we're going after GFA. It's very important to me. It's a 3L, but I know 3L is already cool for a lot of people, but it means global from Asia, our podcast and blog that we've been doing since 2013. So it'd be pretty awesome to own .gfa here. Hopefully this video doesn't go out until after the auction, so you don't compete with me. But I hope we can all win the names we want to win, and I'm trying to teach you guys how to do that right now. So you got to go to Postman, and you got to pick the name, and you got to go to Postman. So again, I hope I'm not revealing too much secret information here. I have to blur some of this out, but I think that's what you guys like, guys and girls like. I'm showing you the real deal here. So I will block some of this out. Unfortunately, I can't show my passwords and things like that. So this is a little bit technical. I know it's a little bit scary, but Postman, I think, is .com. And then you create a workspace. So Shadowstone is our company here, and we're doing this all in our company here and as a team. And then you make these workspaces, and then you make groups. Honestly, I can't even remember how exactly I did it, but it was pretty straightforward. You can kind of just make these folders and bundle it. So I called it pool, and then you make a new request, and you basically choose from the drop down what kind of request, right? I'm not even so technical, but I'm just showing you the steps, okay, in a video form. So I hope this helps you. And I picked first or post, okay, post, and then this is the URL. I also put this in the skyinclude.com/memepooler. I also think he does have some guides here, and he has a Telegram group you can join, which is where I'm in and I'm asking. So he has some tutorials here using Bob and Postman. This is the one that we're doing here. Okay. So I'll go in my more dummy way. So you can also review his guide, and so you copy this guide, all right? Copy this line. So yeah, post, and then this is the URL, okay? And just to break this down, it's http://x:/, and then this is your Bob Wallet API, okay? So that would not be what I'm showing you here. I'm probably going to blur this out. I'm just a little bit nervous for what to show. The hardest part is editing things out here. Okay, so I'm in Bob. And we have a video at skyinclude.com/Bob Wallet to learn about this one. And then you would go into wallet and then API key, view, and then copy. And just to note, this changes every time you close or reopen Bob. So I made that mistake. I had to highlight this and change it. It won't work if the API key is not the API key, of course. At localhost:12039/wallet/ your wallet name, your username in Bob. So we're SkyInclude. I hope it's okay I share that. And then /bid, okay? So, you can just copy this from the text. And then I made a mistake to use parameters. I was wrong. You go to body. At least there's probably a lot of ways to do this, okay? I'm just giving you my best help here to help you. All right. And I use this template here. So the password is your Bob Wallet password. Of course, don't show people. Your sign is true, broadcast is false. And false, that is because we're not actually sharing it to the meme pool. We're going to use his tool to do that. The name is GFA. The bid amount is in dollar reduce. Okay. So it's really confusing. So I'm actually we're doing 1,500, which is, I know, pretty big. And it's 6 zeros to be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So that is, maybe you got to change here. I've actually not done this big of a bid before on this 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, yes, and then I think we need to add another 0 here. It is a little bit tricky, the dollar reduce. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Basically, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1,500 is our bid, and the lockup is the same. If you were going to do a mask, you would add it to the lockup. All right, so double check the API. Well, basically, if it doesn't work, we would, let's see. Okay, it's a good example. I don't have Postman open. So you need to actually install this and have it opened in your computer to send. I think that's why it's not showing send. Okay, yeah, so there it is. So now I can see send. I think it's just a matter of me opening it. Click send. Hopefully it works. Okay, maybe API key. Yeah, I think, again, honestly, maybe it's good I'm making these mistakes because you get to learn. The API key is different. I've reset my computer. And it worked, okay? So it went through, and it connected to Bob and to the meme, but it didn't send it to the blockchain, to the Handshake blockchain, right? So now we're gonna schedule it. All right, so I'm scrolling all the way at the bottom, and there's this long thing called a hex. It's a lot of code. So see this hex, and I am copying this, and I copy this, and then I go to his tool, Mempooler, and I paste the hex. Okay, paste here. Block height. So now I'm looking at GFA. You can use the namebase, and the last block to send bid is this. Okay, I copy this bid block, copy, paste. Now I'm not going to send it on the last block. I'm going to do 2 ahead. You could do 1 back. I'm going to do 2 just because I'm a little bit nervous. If I am not as nervous, I sometimes do right on the last one. So C is scheduled to go in 39 blocks. Okay. Now you go to your transactions, and you can see this is the bid for GFA right here. You click. Now we got to sign the transaction. Basically means I made some mistakes before where I actually was in Bob, and I made even reveals, and I made registers, and I made, bids, because I thought I had enough in here to do that. But it's something really complicated about coins and on the blockchain. It's not just about how much balance of H&S you have. So just got to do this. All right. So this is the sign. So you go to prevout. Again, I'm a little nervous. Hopefully I win this auction. So I copy the prevout, and now we got to go to another request. So I just make one called lockup, and it's a put request. All right. So you pick put, not post, right? So this was a post. And again, this looks really scary, and I put it also in SkyInclude.com/Mempooler. And there's a lot of text here, so if you prefer the text version, you got it here. So here's the long code, all right? And basically the first is the API key. excuse me. No, this is the, yeah, this is correct. So the API key and then all of this information. So again, the video is probably easiest. So what did I just do? Just to go make sure. Again, I hope I'm not messing this up for you. I had to get the hash from the prevout. Okay, so I copied this. It's in my memory. Oh, excuse me. That's the API key. The prevout goes here up until that slash. Okay, and then paste. So that's prevout. The other part is the index 1. So it's usually a 1, honestly. Sometimes, so that still stays the same. And then I have the API key. Which is this. It's just from my memory. Send. Success true. Okay, so that means it worked. All right. So basically now this bit is scheduled to go at 54,182 block, which is in 32 blocks. And I can monitor, of course, on Namebase. I can go to HNS can. I like to use this one to just see what block height we're currently on. I'm really nervous for this one. It's kind of one of my last ones I'm trying to win. So we're at block 54,144, right? So we're waiting to send this bit of 1,500 at 54,182, and it says 39 blocks, 54,144. So thank you again, Durendil. This is Mempooler tool, and he has it on DNS and HNS. And you know, honestly, for now, he's doing it totally for free. But you should consider donating to him, HNS, BTC, or ETH. I hope this video has helped you. This tool has helped me. I've won auctions while I was sleeping doing this, but I did make some mistakes when I had multiple bids, and I've learned, and I hope my video here helps you. I'm just doing this to help the community. Honestly, I should keep this information to myself, right? It's a very powerful tool. It's a little bit scary, honestly. Hopefully I didn't reveal too much of my private information in this. I just want to show you and help the community again. Mike at SkyInclude. I hope this helps you win some names. With great power comes great responsibility. Don't be a squatter. You know, use the names or even gift the names, or, you know, sell them at a reasonable price. You know, we're trying to get more people using this. You know, it's only going to succeed if the right people make the right things. So I hope you use this power for good. Of course, you can use it for evil, but I hope you use it for good. Thank you, Durendil, for making this. Thank you for watching this. Also, you know, post in our handshake.mercenary. It's our free forum. We've got some pretty cool things getting shared there. You can go on the top at SkyInclude and click to that in DNS or HNS. And, you know, we got this guide here. It's a little bit ugly right now. I'm going to clean it up. But I hope this all makes sense. And then basically, maybe I'll try to add in, it'll be dark when I'll probably be awake watching, although sometimes I'm asleep. I think we'll do another clip when this bid goes. But it will basically show in Bob the subtraction, the pending bid, and then a confirm bid. And you can actually close Bob wallet. You don't even have to have it open. So I hope this all helps you. It's helped me. And your feedback, your tips is appreciated. You can also do this in Node.js. Again, this is already way deep over me. So he has a warning too. See there. That's why he says you got to sign the transaction. But you can also do Node. I haven't gotten that deep into it. My computer can't handle it even. But I do hope this helps. Check out his guide. Join his Telegram group. Share your experiences, you know, in comments or on the forum or however you can can do it. But that's it for this part. I'll show you how it goes through, and hopefully I win. Wish me luck. Okay, so I'm still watching this. Just thought I'd give you a little update. There's another bid that came in 5 minutes ago pending. We got 8 blocks left. You know, it's still scheduled here. And, you know, we're at 178. This is 4 more blocks. So it's going to go at block 4. You know, I'm also watching it in a few different places. You know, I check in Namebase. Check in HNS fans, check in HNS can, you know, just monitoring it here, and uploading other YouTube videos. We made some other videos today, so doing that while this is happening. Slow internet here. But anyway, just a quick update. I'll show you as this goes. All right, so the block just mined. I refreshed here, so It was a long one. Some people know this industry. See how there's like some were like 20 minutes, some were like 5 minutes. This one was like 19 minutes. So I haven't refreshed this page. So it showed the bid here as not sent, and it had block 182. So if you remember, I refresh, it shouldn't show as not sent. Or it's sending now. It's on this block. I guess I could still cancel it at this point. So once this block is finished, this will send. And I shouldn't be watching it this closely, honestly. I told you in the intro, I usually am sleeping or not here, but this one's important to me. So I'm just watching it to I don't know, I have no control over it, but a lot of us are just refreshing, you know, like there's one that sent 40 minutes ago for 196. Obviously, the 1500 is much higher, but it's just watching. So I'll come back soon. All right, so it just sent, and notice it finished that block. So we're on the next block. So during that block, it's being broadcast. I'm actually talking to Durendil in Telegram group, and he says during that block, it's being broadcast from Mempooler, from this VPS. Again, I don't have to actually be looking at it. I don't have to be doing anything. I don't have to have Bob open. I don't have to have my laptop open. I could be sleeping like I've done, but I'm just really nervous about this. Plus, I figured I'd document this process. I'm playing Eye of the Tiger too, so so it's sent. Sorry, I don't want to show all my previous history, but it's gone, right? And it's in the sent one with have the other history. And I just want to show you Bob wallet. See, now it's pending here out 1500, but it's not yet ready to be shown in the blockchain. So you know, you can refresh it on various, you know, block explorers. It probably won't show. It's being broadcast right now. It's being like mined and broadcast, so it should be going on block 4. So there's a few more blocks. I could have done it like 1 or 2 more blocks later, but I'm just watching it here, and so it's about like 20 more minutes. I mean, 3 more blocks or so, 4 more blocks. So it should be showing up here. All right. Wish me luck. Yeah, I'm also looking at others on that same block. You know, bidding histories, what's happening with these other ones, what's going on. See, like this one's got a pretty big one from 2 days ago. not GFA. All right, so I'll keep going. Okay, so we're in reveal. Just gonna be my last clip of this video story. This is our bid. It's main bid in there. And I was talking to Durendil in the group. But yeah, he says, you know, it's broadcast at that block, at the beginning of that block, and then hopefully by the end of that block. But you just got to, of course, if it's a short block, you know, as we've learned, this was like 35 minutes. I mean, it's been like 2 hours. I didn't have to actually be here for this, but I made this video and I've been watching and monitoring. But I am pretty sure I've won. I mean, it's in reveal on Namebase. There's still 1 block in the system, but closed now. So yeah, I mean, I pay 196 at the max. Well, anyway, I hope this video helped you. I feel really good. I'm relieved. And I wish you all the best. I hope this tool, thank you Durendil for making this, and definitely check it out. It's helped me make bids at night. I do think there's an advantage to putting bids later. And I'd love to hear what you think. Or check us out at Handshake.mercenary, or leave comments wherever you're seeing this. Thanks again. Bye-bye. Celebrate.